MightyOxTrading presents Elite Trader Funding 100K Fast Track Challenge, Days 1 and 2. Well, hello everyone. Hope everyone had a great day today. I had a great day on other accounts, but our ETF 100K Fast Track Challenge, we blew a tire today. We're in the pits after having a problem getting off the line yesterday. Day 1, I didn't do a video for because I actually didn't take any trades that I actually meant to take. Holiday yesterday, so I didn't actually take any trades during the day yesterday, during the shortened day. But while I was setting up my alerts on TradingView on Sunday evening, somehow I accidentally entered a trade. Not sure how I did that. Took a 4-tick stop on one contract. So getting off the line there, immediately fell to the back of the pack. Lost 129 bucks after commissions. Today, day 2, we were trying to roar back up. Our first trade was a winner. I'll go through each trade I took today. And then we blew a tire. And we're down a lap or two. With 2 wins today, 3 losses. $612 in the negative for the day. Balance 99,259. Remember, we started at 100K, which means we now need $6,741 to pass. Now, that is, if I bring out the handy dandy calculator, that is $843 a day. So that's 9 ticks on 3 contracts. It's doable. It's now harder, but it's doable. We got to get back on that lead lap. And then we got to race toward the front of the pack. Hope you like all this racing jargon to go with the theme. Anyway, so let's look at our trades for today. Here's my trading view. Oops, we have a Ninja Trader chart up there that was not supposed to be there. There we go. So let's look at trading view today. Our first trade of the day. So right here, entered, and I was way too conservative. Only took 4 ticks. My ATR is 3. I should have went for 6 ticks. Only went for 4. I mean, obviously I could have got a lot more dumped down. But so very conservative there. But we started off the day well. Let me bring up my stats here. And that first trade was a $375 winner. Then we got into trouble. This trade here, we came back up and then we gave us a bearish engulfing down. I took that, stopped out. Almost, it took 7 minutes to stop out, but it stopped out. Now, what was my major mistake with this trade? Nothing. Technically nothing. It was my trading plan to take a bearish engulfing bounce off the EMA. My mistake was not getting back in once it came up and came back down. Especially, it gave me 2 different attempts. And you can see if I had taken either one of these, let's take the second one. Right there, going for 6 ticks. With a 5-tick stop or even a 4-tick stop. And it would have closed out there. And again, this could have been a trigger if it was a little bit harder. So then I had no trades for the next. That was, by the way, that was a 5-tick stop on 3 contracts. It was $468. So at that point, we went in the hole. That's where we blew the tire. Sitting in the pits, we had trouble. No trades for over 2 hours. Until here, trade 3. We came up, still underneath the 100 EMA, and came back down. I should have never taken either one of these trades, trades 3 or trade 4. We'll talk about trade 3 first, though. Why shouldn't I have taken this? because even though we were below the 100 EMA, we had established a small upward trend. I should not take first dips underneath even a short-term trend. I should have waited until it took a second red candle down, but I took the trade, and it didn't take long to get stopped out of that. About 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I got stopped out on this candle here. But then I saw this candle, big wick, trying to come back down, and I have no idea why I entered. I think I entered because I was angry. I wanted to get that one back because that was another $468 stop out. I sized down by a contract when we went to 2 contracts. Entered in thinking we were going to continue, we wanted to come back down. Entered, and of course we didn't. And I should have got out on that candle, but I waited for it to fully stop me out on this candle, which it did. And you can see this, both of these, bullish engulfings would have worked to the upside. I didn't take either. We were still under the 100 EMA. For this second one here, this one, was against my trading plan. This second one would have been a good one to take. So at this point, I had now taken 3 straight losses and about over $1,000 drawdown, about a $1,300 drawdown from that off that first trade that was a winner. And I waited, stream ended. I guess these two weren't on stream either. Now that I look at the times, and I waited, and then I saw this setup. It's moved down. It tried to come back up. Didn't take this because it was, even though it was a bullish engulfing, we were still under the 100. It was showing signs that it wanted to come down. And I should have entered right off of this candle. I entered off of this candle instead, which is okay, waiting for confirmation. And again, I only went for 6 ticks. As you can see, this ended up being a much longer trend. But let's say I did 6 ticks. I did 6 ticks there. It was a nice winner, $375. Basically made up for that last trade number 4. They evened out besides commission. But you can see here, the fact that I gave up on it the rest of the day was just stupid. Each one of these bearish engulfings, this one would have went at least 5 ticks, would have went 7, 7, and 6. So going for this 5, because the ATR was 5, will start decreasing as the day went on. We could have got, say 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, or 5, 5, 5, 5, 20 ticks to 24 ticks in this downtrend off of each of these yellow candles. And that would have gotten us back to just nearly break even on the day, maybe even a tick or 2 above break even. But instead, I just kind of gave up on it, and that's where we're sitting now. So, like I say, we are sitting down, the total in the account, $741 over the first 2 days. Recognizing my mistakes. Someone also said I probably should, during the prime time hours of, say, 9 to 11, maybe look at the 1-minute chart, and I did that. I looked at it. And let's go back here. And you can see here, if I looked at the 1 minute, there was that time that I didn't take any trades for 2 hours. And this would have been a great trade to take right here. This was 15 minutes after the open. Could have caught that move down. And look at this nice up, down, up move here. Could have taken that bullish engulfing and taken that move up. And then after it hemmed and hawed around trying to break the 100, it dipped and then back up. And it could take taking that break of 100. That would be another good trade. So 3 trades in that time frame that I didn't take because I just didn't see it on the 5-minute. So we might have the 1 and the 5 up tomorrow. We'll adjust. Get our lug nuts back on. Get back out there on the track. And hopefully we can get back onto the lead lap. And work toward finishing in first. So that's it for today. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. I hope you'll join me again for the journey for day 3 tomorrow. I do show some of these trades when I'm streaming. Obviously, I trade off of stream as well. But if you join me on the stream, you might see a couple trades on this as well as my Blue Sky account. So I hope everyone has a great evening or whenever you're watching this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.